do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content here on my channel, and I'm also a makeup artist, so if you're interested in any of that content, definitely come back and watch more videos and subscribe before you leave. I would really appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my hair. I got this unit from AliPro, and this video is also sponsored by AliPro, so thank you so much AliPro for sponsoring today's video. They sent over this beautiful 24-inch Kinky straight V-part wig, and I'm excited to show y'all how I styled it, how I customized it, did all the things, you know what I'm saying? I love making these videos for you guys because I just surprise myself every single time. These videos are for the people that want the look but don't want to, you know, spend all of the money investing into a hairstylist to do it for them. No shade to the hairstylists, love them, love what they can do, but sometimes, you know, we gotta dial it back a little bit with the expenses and just dishing out so much money, you know what I'm saying? I know somebody might ask about the makeup. I might do a get ready with me, but y'all know I just be doing the same makeup look. I did use a different eyeshadow palette. I was about to drop it. I did use a different eyeshadow palette, and Urban Decay sent me this mini naked palette, and it's so cute. I used this shade right here with this shade, and then this on my outer corner, and then I used like a burnt orange color from my Morphe palette as my transition color, and then, you know, put on my lashes and all the good things. So yeah, that's it for my makeup. Top is from Meshki. I'll link everything down below. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair already kind of sectioned off. I'm still trying to figure out if I'm going to braid this part of my hair down. I just don't know what I'm about to do yet. So yeah, this is how I'm going to be sectioning off my hair. I am wearing a side part. Y'all know I am loving a side part. And this is how it's looking. Okay, I hope you guys saw that. I can't really see it, so hopefully it's straight. If it's not, oh well. This is the wig. I already washed it, blow dried it, and straightened it out, but I did leave this piece up here so that I can show you guys the texture of the hair when you receive it in the mail. So yeah, this is how it looks all straightened out. It does come with the thread attaching the wig, so of course you have to cut this part out. Hope you guys can see that. So this is the top part of the V-part wig, the thread, and then it comes with clips so that you can clip it on, and behind your part, that's where that clip will go. And then it also comes with these combs on the side for the back of your wig, and hopefully everything goes as planned. I'm just going to cut this thread that's holding the wig together, and then cut the excess. Oh man, yeah, this wig is a little bit too big. Yeah, all of that is like, this wig is huge. Oh, what am I about to do? Okay, while I think about what I'm gonna do to the wig, because it's huge on my head, this is how the hair looks when it's not like straightened. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. So the hair does hold a straighten a little bit, but it does still swell up, but that's okay. That's typically what kinky straight hair does. It swells up a little bit. But I'm glad that I straightened it because it was a lot bigger than it is now, and I cannot deal with that much hair. I don't even know why I got 24 inches. Like, what was I thinking? Alright, so I'm just gonna finish straightening this part of the wig out. Alright y'all, so this is how the hair is looking all straightened out, and honestly y'all, this wig is so soft. Like, just look at it. It's soft, but it's still matches the texture of my hair. Y'all see, once I take my leave out down, y'all gonna see, just holds on. But this is how it looks all straightened out. And then this is my braid down. I just did, well, I tried to do straight back braids, and then I just bobby pinned the rest upward so that it's tucked good up under my wig. Okay, moving back to this unit. So I told y'all previously, well, y'all saw it previously, that the wig was a little bit too big for my head. So I did have to go in and actually cut the unit so that it fit my head. That did kind of affect the thickness of the wig, which I didn't really mind because y'all know that dealing with a whole bunch of hair I'm not really used to. So I like to make sure the hair is not too thick and dense. So this was just right up my alley. Now that the wig is like halfway on, I'm going to go ahead and take the combs that was on the wig and tuck those into my braids as well, so it's more secure. But when I told you guys I had to go in and customize the wig, I basically had to take the whole back section of the wig off because it was too big, so I lost some combs. I probably could have sewed them back on, but I just used bobby pins, stuck them through the back of the wig, and then stuck it into my braid so that the wig wouldn't be flopping in the wind. But yeah, this wig is very secured and it fit my head to the T because I did go in and customize it. So when it comes to ordering your wig, I would pay attention to the size that you're getting, because if you get a big wig, then you'll have to go in and do what I'm doing right here. I would rather y'all get a unit that's already ready to wear. So yeah, just pay attention to what size wig you're actually ordering so that you don't have to do all of this, okay? Now I'm just going in to add some layers to this unit so that it frames my face well and so that it blends with my hair as well, because you guys seen that my hair is cut into a long bob. Well, it was a bob and now it's kind of like grown out, but it's still a very blunt cut. So in order for it to blend with my hair a little bit more seamlessly, I feel like I need to add shorter layers to the front. Even if I didn't have my hair cut in a bob, I would still add layers to the front of my unit because I think it just curls better this way and it looks more natural, if that makes sense. And these shears are from Amazon. They had really good reviews, so I'll link them down below. And I'm just going to continue to add a little bit more layers to this unit. Okay, now that my unit is situated, now I'm just going to go ahead and take down my leave out, which is blending flawlessly into the unit. Like, do y'all see this? Stop playing with me, y'all. You can't even really tell where my hair stops on this side. This is the back of the unit. You can kind of see the unit through my leave out, but I am going to comb it over. I just wanted y'all to see how my hair was blending into the unit and how my texture is matching the texture of the unit as well. So yeah, that's what this is looking like. And you guys can now see where my hair is stopping, which is why I decided to add the layers in as well, because it would just blend a little bit better once I do add some curls in it. So now I'm just going to take out the rest of my leave out, and I literally didn't leave much leave out in the front part of my hair to cover up the wig because there's no need to have a lot of hair out, just enough to cover up, you know, the wig and straighten it out to make it look like it's your hair. Okay, that's the goal. I like to make sure all of my units look very natural, like it's growing out of my scalp. Okay, I never want to look like I have a wig on even though I have a wig on. You know? Did you get me? Okay. Moving on to straightening out my leave out. And if you guys are interested in this comb, I think it's called a cricket comb. I really like this Rattail comb because it glides through my hair very nicely. Got it from Amazon. I don't think they sell this specific Rattail comb that I'm using, but I will link another version of it. So yeah, and the flat iron that I'm using is the Babeless, or Babeless, however you pronounce it. And I'm not sure what I was flat ironing my leave out on, but I know it was a very high heat because I use a very high temperature to straighten out my units, and I forgot to change the heat on it. So heat damage, is that you? Yeah, I see you. So this is how everything is looking all together with my leave out straightened out, with the hair washed, blow dried, and straightened out. But y'all, I want y'all to be mindful that your unit is not going to come looking like this. This hair was a lot fuller, a lot thicker, which is why I did that whole process off camera, because it is a lot within itself. So if you guys want to see that whole process, I will link a video of me doing that whole process on a different unit. I think I did it on my clip-ins if I'm not mistaken, but I do the same things to all of my units. I just wanted to put that out there because if you do receive this wig, it's not going to look like this. I just don't want y'all to be thinking I'm out here lying, because ain't nobody got time for that. With these units, what you see is what you get, okay? So as you guys previously saw, I just went in and sectioned off my hair so that I can go into curling, and I'm using this pretty little thing in Beauty Works convertible styler, and it also comes with a crimper attachment as well, but I wanted to use the wand today because it's very long and I'm dealing with very long hair, and I'm not the most patient person when it comes to doing my hair, so I like to use items that will make the process a little easier and quicker, even though the process is not that quick. So in my most recent Get Ready With Me, the one where I was showing you guys my summer soft glam makeup look, the one that lasts all day, in that video you guys wanted me, well, I got a comment asking me to show a little bit more of how I curl my hair and pin it up. So that's what I'm going to do in today's video, just slow it down a little bit and talk you guys through how I curl my hair. So when it comes to placing the hair on the wand, I like to lay the wand flat. Well, I like to lay my hair flat around the wand. I don't twist my hair up or anything like that. I lay it flat because I want it, I don't know how to explain this type of curl, but I just lay the hair flat around the wand. If I'm curling my hair with a curling iron, I like to keep my hair flat on the curling iron. It is a little bit easier to do it with a curling iron because it naturally just lays flat around the curling iron, but with a wand, sometimes it doesn't do the same curl if you don't lay your hair flat around the wand. So once I get the hair all wrapped around the wand, I let it sit there for about 30 seconds. And then once I take it off of the wand, I let it cool off in my hand for about another 30 seconds. And then once I feel like the hair has cooled down, I'll just let it go and admire the curl that I just curled. But another thing that I like to do is curl everything away from my face. That's the key. So when it comes to the parting of my hair, I very rarely use a comb to part my hair. To curl it, I just grab an inch worth of thickness of my hair, and it's usually in like a diagonal line, and then I just clip the excess hair out of the way so that I can focus on that one section of hair that I just took out to curl. And then once you have the section of hair that you're about to curl, go ahead and comb it out. And I have my hair placed in my left hand, and the curling wand is going to be over my head in my right hand. And I'm just going to take my hair, we'll take the hair and wrap it around the wand flat, going away from my face. And then once the hair is all wrapped around the barrel, I'm going to let it sit there for about 5 to 30 seconds. It really just depends on what I'm doing at the time, but a good 5 to 30 seconds, you'll be good. Take it down, let it cool off in your hand, and then once you feel like the hair is all cooled down, because you'll feel the heat. Once you feel like it's cooled down, let it down, and then there you have a curl. So this is how the curls came out. I just ran my fingers through it just to loosen the curls up a little bit and give me a nice wave / curl. That probably doesn't make any sense, but y'all know I'm not a hairstylist. So don't come for me if I'm saying something wrong. Just know I know how to finesse my hair and make it look the way I wanted to look. But you know, words fail me sometimes. So this is how the hair came out. And honestly, it looks really, really good. The texture of my hair is matching the texture of the unit. Even though I have a blunt cut, the hair looks so good. Like, I'm sitting here watching the video with y'all doing this voiceover, and it just looks good. Okay, so now that you guys have seen how I curled my hair, let's move into how I put rollers in my hair so that the curls can survive throughout the night. Okay, so let's get into it. So honestly, y'all, I feel a little silly even showing y'all what I'm doing, but here we go. So I'm basically just going to be placing the sponge roller in the same way that I curl my hair. So I curl everything away from my face. So I'm just going to put the sponge roller in going away from my face. Well, wrapping the hair away from my face in the sponge roller. I really hope that made sense. Honestly, y'all, I feel goofy right now because it's so simple. So I'm just going to speed this up and I'll come back to you guys. Hey y'all, not gonna lie, it's been about 2 days since that last clip. I got sick. Like in the middle of filming, my stomach started hurting. I was sitting down to do my makeup, trying to finish off the video, and you know, like one night, and my stomach started hurting, and I think I had like food poisoning or something like that, because my niece did get sick like a day and a half before me. And we both ate the same pizza. So maybe it was food poisoning, maybe it wasn't. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I was literally in the bed for like 2 days. Had to call out of work and everything. So if I get fired, please run this video up. I'm being serious. So the hair has had a chance to set for literally 2 days. Like I said, I've been in the bed for 2 days, so I'm really happy that my hair has survived the chills and the sweats. So I'm just gonna take it down now, zhuzh it up, and show you guys what it's looking like. I really hope that this hair holds a curl. So yeah, we're just going to take the rollers out. This hair is so long. I don't know what made me get 24 inches of hair, but I'm kind of excited that I did. Alright, so I've gone in and recurled some of the pieces in my hair just so it gives the look that, you know, I want. So this is how the hair is dropping to look. Again, I did get this hair in 24 inches. I added some layers, of course. I'm pretty sure you guys seen that. I also had to go in and resize and reconfigure the wig. Not reconfigure, but I had to go in and resize the wig so that it fits the actual shape of my head, because y'all seen when I first put this wig on my head, it was way too big. So that did kind of affect the thickness of this hair, but I still do think it's thick enough for how big, how small my head is, because the wig was just way too big. It was gonna be flapping in the wind, and it was just gonna mess up the look of the wig. So I did have to go in and customize the size of the wig, but it wasn't too hard at all. So yeah, this is the finished look of the wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any more questions, comments, concerns, definitely ask me down below. Again, thank you so much, AliPro, for sponsoring today's video and keeping the lights on over here and sending me this beautiful unit. And also, thank you guys so much for watching today's video and staying tuned to the end. If you haven't already subscribed, I will put my face on the screen so that you guys, you know, can see it, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you haven't already seen this video, check it out and let me know what you think. And I will see you guys soon. Love ya!